So here I am standing outside of 1 Knowles Road, Middletown. It's my most recent listing. It's my first one with these guys, Keller Williams Prestige Properties. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tour. So let's go in and you can check her out. Look at this house, built in 1799. Beautiful condition for the age. It's really remarkable, actually. The homeowner really took a lot of care in getting this property back to her original glory days, as you'll soon be able to see. So as you walk in through the front door, it's the main entrance. To the left over here, you have your formal living room area. I feel like every room in this house has a fireplace. It's really pretty neat. Which then flows right into your half bath. This house has 2.5 baths, which having a half bath on your first floor is really unique for a house of this age, because usually it's very difficult to run the plumbing. Then this flows into your library. Another fireplace. Back to the main entrance, which then flows over into your kitchen, which also has a fireplace. It's really great. Love the exposed brick. Stainless steel appliances. Goes over to your dining room. And then to finish up your first floor, going into your great room with your very own wet bar. This is probably my favorite room in the house. But so when you're talking about a house that's built in the 1799, right? Something that's old, you know, myself personally, I think of horror films when you think about going into a basement that's like that, you know, maybe something like The Cast of Amontillado, where there's like, you know, crypts and, you know, spiders and all that kind of creepiness. But, you know, one of the things that I was amazed about when I first came to this property and I was walking for the first time is actually the condition of this basement. You know, forgive me while I nerd out over the basement, but I mean, to have concrete floors, you know, not dirt floors. It's relatively dry down here with brick and fieldstone foundations, combination of the two. Proper grading. So for drainage, you know, if water were to seep into this property, you know, it's all going to flow down towards where the drains are, or in the corner of the property there. So just really, just shockingly great condition. Right, and this goes over to your side driveway. So we're gonna take you back upstairs. I'll show you out into the backyard real quick. Then we can, I just missed the light switch here real quick. And then I'll take you upstairs to see the bedrooms, and that'll conclude our tour. So let's walk out through this way here. So we just entered back into the great room and then out to this really cute little sitting area. Onto your half-acre lot with 2 outbuildings. This house actually has 2 driveways. You know, one right over here going up to this, which is actually not a garage because I'm told it does not support the weight of a car. Then you got your second outbuilding over in the corner in the distance. I'm not sure if you can see that from here. You know, it's just an outbuilding, you know, not really, don't need to walk over there for you to see it, but, you know, and then there's second driveway over here on this side. So then we're gonna head back in, going in through that main walk through, right? Goes back. Got your front door over here. And then this will take you up. Stairway to heaven. Look, I see the light. Just that is, you really just can't get this weathering in wood, you know, unless it's just seen the tales of time, you know. Take this left here into bedroom 1. Built-ins. And then with the door here, this kind of turns into like a little suite between these last 2 rooms, you know, bedroom 2 and your master, and you can kind of turn this into like a little common sitting area. I'd probably put a coffee pot over there rather than a TV. Meet up in the morning between the 2 rooms, you know. Very large. It's always my concern when you go into these older homes, you know, it's just the room sizes are too small, closets are too small. Not the case with this house. It's really just a real gem. Right, we got your his and hers closets, which walks through to full bath 1 and full bath 2 with your very own bidet. All right, so yeah, that concludes my tour. You know, I got to show you around the whole house. Yeah, so if you have any questions or if there's any interest in the property or really anything real estate, please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. All right, have a great day, guys.